So hey guys, welcome back to Two Story. I'm in my Ford Transit Tourneo Mk7 from 2011, and on the A-pillar I drilled a 5mm hole and used the M6 drill to screw an M6 bolt into this frame. There will be a phone holder, so as you can see here on the side, there is a really nice place where you can just mount it. So I installed this A-pillar cover, and here is the hole. There's the cable. I will take it to the side so I can easily install it. Let's move forward and do it right now. Okay, and here we go. There's the hole. Now I screwed this in and it sits perfectly nice, and it looks really professional. It looks like OEM. So let's put this nut into it and screw things up. Let's go ahead, just slide this in, and then you can grab this one and screw in. Now this thing is rock stable. It's really stable, and we can mount this one into it. So now this is the final result. I put this cover on so it looks more clean, and as you can see here, great fit. So I had here a broaded Pro clip with an active USB-C phone holder. It's a great phone holder for this car and for other cars, but the problem is my van is really big, and it's winter and it's cold. I have this one and this one, and my phone was installed right there, so I was able to use only this one to warm up. So now it's free and it's not blocked. I can use this. That's great in winter. Nevertheless, it's a great phone holder. I will replace this one with the broaded USB-C phone holder. So I'm looking for a solution how I can handle it. As you can see here on the back, we have a ball joint, and I want to figure out how I can convert the broaded installation plate to this ball head.